Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Well, you can see multiple videos in my channel. They are from vlogging to blogging and also some Konkani songs. Here you can find some of my latest videos related to blogging. Please do watch them so that they will be helpful to you as well. I will give the links below for you so that you can find my videos easily. How to remove the cart icon from header, or how do I hide the add to cart icon in WooCommerce, or how to remove the social icons from the site. Today we are going to learn to remove them from any theme by just following and watching these simple steps. You got to use just a few lines of CSS codes into your customization and boom, they are gone. You don't have to be a master to learn these simple thing methods. I am going to show the most easy method to remove them in this short video. I will show just the simple steps without wasting your precious time. Come on, let's go! Boom! This is my site, and down here you can see these three icons. And then down below here are the social media icons. Well, let's remove first the cart icons one by one, and then we will remove the social media icons later. So now we will remove the first icon, that is my account icon, from this theme. Just click right and then click on inspect. Here is the icon. These are all the CSS codes and we work on them here. Now just hit sidebar on the icon and it will get highlighted. Now click on this plus sign, which is also known as the new style rule. Next, click on this area and then let's type display none. The moment you write display none, the desired icon disappears. Let's copy this CSS code and then move on to the site. Go to appearance and then click on customize. You will move here and then find additional CSS. Well, paste the code here. And the moment you paste, the icon disappears, the magic happens. Now hit the publish button. Let's go back and clear this and then refresh the same. So the first icon is gone and now we work on the next item. Click right again and then let's continue the same process. So you watch the same process by listening to this lovely music, and once these two icons are removed, I will show you how to remove the social icons in one go. Now, you have seen the three icons being removed. And so we work on the social icons now. Watch the magic in one go. Let's click on the right and then click on Inspect. Hit on the side and the coded CSS code is highlighted. I will show you one more time by hitting the side area how the code gets highlighted. Well, have a look. This manner. Now, next click on the plus sign. You can see here when you hover on the code, the icons get highlighted, all of them. So it means you got to write the display none here in this area so that all the icons disappear. The moment you write display none, all the icons just disappear. Same way like others. Copy the code and paste it here. The moment you paste the code, boom, it is gone. Publish now and then refresh. So it was nice and simple. Thank you for watching this video. Give me a like, and if you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe so that you will learn more good things from me. Take care and bye-bye.